Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be solving for the average value of the function sine of pi divided by x divided by x squared from 1 to 2. Okay, so what you need to know about solving for the average value of a function is that, so the average value, which is the mean is equal to 1 divided by b minus a times the integral from a to b of the function time and dx. Okay, and in this case, b would be 2 and a would be 1. Okay, now let's plug everything that we know. 1 divided by b is equal to 2 minus a, which is 1, times the integral from a, which is 1, and to b, which is 2, of fx, which is sine of pi divided by x divided over x squared dx. In order to integral this, we're going to use substitution rule and set u is equal to pi divided by x, which would mean that du is equal to negative x times x to the power of negative 2 dx. We're going to divide negative pi on both sides, and so that we would have negative 1 divided by pi times du is equal to x to the power of negative 2 times dx. 1 divided by x squared times dx is this whole thing. And so we're going to replace that with negative 1 divided by pi times du. 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is just equal to 1, so we don't even have to worry about that. We're going to replace 1 divided by x squared times dx with this. So, and negative 1 divided by pi is a constant, so it can go in the front, times the integral from 1 to 2 of sine pi divided by x, which is equal to u, times du. We have to put this back in so that we would have new integrals, so that we wouldn't have to substitute the u back in after we integral it. So if we put x is equal to 2 here, we would have u is equal to pi divided by 2. I'll just write pi divided by 2. And if we put in the 1 for x, we would have u is equal to pi. So these two are our new intervals. And now integral sine u, and we have negative cosine u, but since we already have a negative here, everything will just cancel out, and we'll just have positive 1 divided by pi times cosine u from pi to pi divided by 2. I'm going to move up here to work, and we would have 1 divided by pi times, we put in a cosine, we have cosine pi divided by 2, which is 0, minus cosine pi, which is negative 1. And so this would be equal to 1 divided by pi times positive 1, so our final answer would be 1 divided by pi. And that would be our answer for the average value of this function. Thank you for watching, everyone. In this video, I solved for the average value of the function sine of pi divided by x all over x squared on the interval from 1 to 2. I hope you could understand my explanation, and have a great day. Thank you for watching.